session. So in this session, basically we are going to understand the code commit flow overall, how we can create a code commit, a repository, how we can configure the repository, and how we can directly clone that repository from my Linux machine or Windows machine. So that can be connected to the any of your machine, but yeah, you want to push your code, you can work on the remotely repository. That it's possible through the code commit. So there are many tools are available like Bitbucket, GitHub, GitLab. Yeah, but similar AWS also having that similar kind of functionality, which is the code commit. So let's go to in the code commit service here, and we'll check the what is the configuration here. So basically we have to create a repository here. So I'm just going to create repository. So just writing the name code commit demo. Okay, so just giving a description is optional. Tag also you can provide if you want to configure, and if you want to enable the Amazon Cloud Guru, that basically for the reviewer Python and Java. Let me create the code commit repository here. That is the code commit demo here. Okay, so here you can see that the repository has been created, but it's empty repository. Okay, so you can understand the flow of your pull request, commit, branches, git tag, whatever you can configure based on the git functionality. You can do all the flow. Let's go and let's clone the repo here. So I'm just going to clone this repo. Let me clone URL here. So I'm taking the HTTPS and I'm just going to my VS Code editor, going to the source control, pasting my URL. Okay, I'm giving the some folder here. I'll take the AWS demo here. Okay, so this will going to clone repository here. It will open here. Okay, meanwhile you need to configure your user, and you should pass your user in Git account. So you need to configure your IAM user, so that will basically connect here. I already configured my IAM user and it is having the proper permission of the code commit. Okay, let's go with the code configuration here. You can see there is nothing is open. Okay, so I have some code. Okay, let me open that my code here. So I have the sample, the Linux code. So I'll go my document and AWS demo, similar code commit demo. I'm pasting here. Okay, that's all. I have taken the new code. You can see here, I can see the code here. Okay, so I have created some new files and code here. So here I have the code. Okay, now I want to move this code to AWS repository. Okay, let's do that. How it possible? Let's try to understand. Okay, I have to first add this all changes into the server. Okay, so I'm just giving the add here. Okay, now I want to commit here. So I'm giving the initial commit. Okay, I give the commit here. I'm just doing the push. Okay, so now my code has been pushed. Let's go to the console here and let's refresh the repository here. Okay, so let's see here inside the repository. Okay, so I can see the files, whatever we have pushed here, it's here. Okay, so similar way, if you want to work with the different branch, you can see master branch, whatever we just pulled, that's become the master default branch. But I can create a new branch here, and we can make the develop branch, and that comes from the master. So I'm just creating the develop branch here. Okay, so now we have two branch, master and develop. Let's go back to over here and let's sync here first. So okay, let me go to my terminal. Okay, in the terminal here we can do git status, git fetch. Okay, git checkout develop. Okay, so now I move to the branch, so my branch is available there only. Okay, it's a matter of the configuration only. So here you can see there is a master and develop, both branch are there. Master and develop right now on the same state. So we're going to change something on the develop branch. So in the index.html we'll change some configuration. Okay, I'm just adding here the configuration congratulations instead of the S3 Cloud Hub. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now I'm pushing my changes in the develop branch, not in the master. Okay, just push my changes, updated develop branch. Okay, I'm just pushing the changes to the develop branch. So this changes has been pushed in the develop branch. You can see here. Once you click on the develop branch here, and in the index.html, you can see the difference here. So we have added this one. Okay, now we can do the pull request here. So I'm just creating the pull request here. So I'm just pull request from the creating the develop branch to master. So if you see the compare here, it will show the difference. What is the difference in the file? So basically there is the one file which having this line of difference. Okay, once you click the pull request here, it will generate the CR. We can say the short form is the CR. It's a pull request or PR. So CR means the change request. Okay, it's saying that you have to give some name. So update message. Okay, create the pull request. Okay, so here you can see basically in the code side we have the our basic code, main code is available, and you can change the branch from here. In the branches you can create and delete your branch also. So if I want to play with this branch, I can delete, I can see the branch, I can create a pull request. Similar way, if you want to see the commits, how many commits done here, so you can see the commit history here. So based on the branch you can see there is a master branch commit, and if you want to see the develop branch commit, you can do here and it will get the develop branch commit details. Okay, now if you want to go the pull request, so I generated one pull request. Let's merge that pull request. So if you open this pull request, you can see basically you can validate, and later validation part you can merge that part. So this is the pull request configuration. In the activity part you can see the activity histories. This is generated pull request, the changes, what changes is done in the particular pull request, what is the commit details, these are the commit details, and approval. So if you have the multiple user, you can do the multiple user approval. That also you can do, because there is a required, some case we require the peer review, and some case we require the multiple, at least 2 plus. So here we don't have the user, but we'll understand that flow basically that is required. Let me merge this change. So this basically going to merge the change here. Okay, so this will basically ask how you want to merge. This is the fast forward merge, this is a squares merge, this is a three-way merge. So we'll go with the default merge only, and this will delete your source branch. So basically if you want to keep source branch, you can do it, but if you want to delete, you can make the tick and you can delete. So my change request is merge here. You can see the status here, and that's the details of your merge. Okay, now let's go the main code here, and in the master only index.html I'm checking that. So you can see that's already updated, and in the branch you can see, so there are develop branch has been deleted. So once you do want to keep your source branch while you want to merge, you can keep, you can retain, but ideally it's basically suggested that once you do merge you should delete the branch, otherwise it will make the bigger list of branches in the later sections, because normal branch has been created based on your development flow. So this is all about how we can work on the AWS CodeCommit repository, how we can connect, how we can create a branch, how we can do the pull request, how we can do the merge. So in the next session, we are going to understand the more connecting the topic with the same, how we can do build, how we can do deploy, and how we can understand the code pipeline. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching this video.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.